What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Claude AI and whether it's actually worth using. Claude AI is one of the best tools out there right now for writing, reasoning, and long-form content. Where it really shines is understanding context. You can give it long documents, messy notes, or rough ideas, and it does a great job turning that into something clear and well-structured. For writing scripts, blog posts, and explanations, Claude feels very natural and human. It's especially strong at editing, rewriting, and improving tone without making things sound robotic. That makes it great for creators, writers, and developers. Claude is also solid for coding help. It explains errors clearly, helps refactor code, and is good at walking through logic step by step. It may not always be as aggressive as some other AI tools, but it's very reliable and thoughtful. The main downside is that some advanced features depend on the model version you're using, and it doesn't always browse the web in real time. But for most everyday tasks, that's not a deal breaker. Overall, Claude AI is one of the most reliable and intelligent AI assistants available right now. If you care about clarity, reasoning, and high-quality writing, it's absolutely worth checking out. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.